Hello, and how are you? This is W.A. Boykin II again with Smart Home New Construction. We are here ready to give you a little introduction into what it looks like with the EVG 3D concrete insulated steel wall panels actually are up at a location. So as you can see, the panels are affixed to the rebar and are standing up and are ready to be completely constructed for the shotcrete to create the walls. Now, the great part about this is each wall gives structure to the next wall, give you a nice aligned structure. So it's like a building block. You build on your next. So what we do is we start off at one point and then go all the way around and come back, creating a nice uniform build as opposed to splotchy build where the whole structure becomes a uniform structure. Next, we will be completing the walls of the complete structure, and we look forward to you joining us for that as well. This is day 4 of Dream Build. We're placing the concrete insulated steel panels and affixing them to the rebar and getting them ready to become walls. This is W.A. Boykin II, Smart Home New Construction. If you have a question about EVG 3D or concrete insulated steel or just your new home, we're here to quote your home plan of what it would cost for us to build our style of home for you, or have our contractors rather build our style of home for you. Our number is 941 218 0268. That's 941 218 0268 or 888 996 6007. Toll free 888 996 6007. Our website is P as in Port, C as in Charlotte, F as in Florida, home.com. We have lots available at 42 Almazan Way in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. Lots available at 438 Winterberry. At, almost forgot the name of the city, Hazel Township, Pennsylvania, as well as a commercial lot in Killeen, Texas, 514 North 8th Street in Killeen, Texas. Or perhaps you're thinking Florida, 256 Ravenswood in Port Charlotte, Florida, or 2163 and 2167 Flagstaff in Punta Gorda, Florida. We're excited and energetic to create your plans into a home for you. Thank you for your time today. Have a good day, have a good week, and have a good life. Dream Home Build, Day 4.